Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Riddhi. So in today's video, I am telling you guys how to make this canopy bed. So this is a very nice bed. You can see this. And before starting this video, you just make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's get started. The first thing that you need is two chunnis, two black in color and two light in color. Then the second thing that you need is a stapler. The third thing is cloth hanger, and the fourth thing is rubber that should be stretchable. Guys, here I am taking the chunnis the first. Guys, here I am taking all the end of it of the chunnis together. And then I am just putting the black color one, both the black color one in the middle and the light color at the side, as you can see. And you can see that the first one is too long, and so I am putting this in the level with the all of these. It should not be uh, uh, all of them should not be different. So I am just taking a rubber, and then I am just making a knot here, as you can see. Then with this rubber, the rubber is not left, so I am taking another rubber. So this rubber is for me of no use, so and it is very stretchable, so I am taking this one. And doing the same thing. So I have done the knot, and just taking this, and we will hang this on that. So guys, I am now sticking the double-sided tape on the back side of it. Like this I have stick. So let's see what we have to do. So guys, now I am sticking it here. Like this I have sticked that. Now you have to take your not fallen down. Chunni inside the bed. The room is little bit of messy, so I will clean it before after I do this. So let's. So yeah, now I am taking this side one like this. So guys, hope you noticed that I changed so I put it the light color one here and the dark color black color one in the middle, because I want both the light color at the side and the dark color in the middle. So I am putting this also inside that. So guys, I have put it this two inside. I am. Let me clean the back side. Then I will do the middle one. So guys, I have cleaned the back. So now let's go to this. So guys, firstly I am stapling it with a stapler, normal stapler. So guys, I have stapled it from here and there, but I have not stapled it from here, as here the pillows will come. So I have not stapled it from here, so I will not. Then I have kept one speaker here so that I can listen the music to here. Then I am putting some. Firstly, my bedroom is just messed up, so I'm cleaning it. So guys, are you eager to see the final look? So here's the final look. And I have put it some teddy bears in the middle. And it's looking very nice. Just one time try it at home, you will love it. Then I am taking now this lamp, and now I am just putting that here. So I am putting this inside, and now you can see I love it very much. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, you just share it to your friends and family, and you just make sure to just subscribe to my channel and like this video, and click the bell icon too for all the updates of the videos. So I will meet you in my next video. Till that, take care and bye bye.